Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a Target account. So first, you have to open your Google web browser, and in the search section, you have to type Target and enter it. And you could see from the search results, there's this Target option. You simply have to click on it. So we could see we just landed to the Target's official homepage, and so we could see on the top right corner there's a sign in option. You have to click on this option, and from this option there will be a section will be opened. We could see here right over here there's a create account. Click on that option, and we are required to fill this form in order to create a Target account. So you simply have to type your email and your first name and your last name as well, and also your phone number. And it is optional, but if you want to provide your phone number in your Target account, you can do that as well. And you have to create a password, and we could see here is a small box that says keep me signed in. But so if you want to keep signed into this account, you simply have to click on this box in order to keep you signed in to Target. And after you fill this form, you have to simply click on the create an account over here, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification icon. And after doing all this, you can simply create an account in Target. So thank you for watching this video.